SmallRig VB212 unboxing. USB-C to USB-C SmallRig cable. It ships with 62% already charged. Right there, that rubber piece, those usually break after a while because the rubber can't hold up from constantly opening and closing it. I prefer the latches that have a hinge, but that one right there, it's on both sides. Here's the regular V-mount connection, up top flap. Yeah, same kind of plastic here that might break over time. And then there's a little recessed area that can fit the door when you open it, like that. Yep, 12 volt, 8 volt, USB-C in outs on both sides, USB-A. From the advertisements I've seen, everything can be plugged in and use all of its power at the same time. You can't bring this on an airplane because it's over 99 watts, but for all of my local shoots, this is gonna be the battery I use for mostly my lights, bigger rigs, and sometimes I might need this for some post-production for my laptop.